So hello guys. Currently I'm outside. I'm going out. But this is 2 days after the graduation, and like after that food, like the burger was melting. That Wagyu burger was crazy, was tight. Like it was so good. That's like top two burgers I've had. The first one I had was like from STK, second one was this one. That's like the top two burgers. Anyways, we're going to Camden Market. And if I face this way, I'm back in the lights, it's not clear. But hold on. So if I face this way, I'm back in the lights. You guys can't see me. Hopefully you can hear me because the mic is connected. But if I face this way, you can see me, like my outfit. So they were going to Camden Market today. I'm going with the gang. They're waiting for me. But like the weather is weathering. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Bye. I look nice. Kind of anklets you have?
I've got those ones with the beads and then fresh mother pearl with the 24 karat gold plated and rose gold as well.
How much are these ones?
15.
50.
So you can get second one discounted.
How much? I don't want anyone. I just want like a plain one, either with beads or something else.
Beads?
Yeah.
I've got plenty of beads in there.
But I don't want evil eye or anything. No, I don't want like plain beads.
Yes, this is bead. All beads.
How much is it?
I told you.
15?
Yes.
What's the last price?
My last price is gonna be 20 for you.
Huh?
20 for you.
No. Serious, I like this. Well, it looks like it's gonna cut.
That does. It looks dainty.
Yeah.
You are filming me.
Like, no, I mean like it's not gonna last. No.
This is gold plate or nickel plate.
currently in line to get ice cream. But the store is gorgeous. I just want something sweet, something quick, something nice. My camera died. No, the SD card. So I'm filming with my phone. But yeah. So we finally got the ice cream. So sorry. I'm currently trying to enter one of these boats. I can't find a company, so we just freestyle at this point. We cannot kill ourselves. So I'm currently getting my food here. It's called Smoketeers. I'm having steak on fries with chimichurri sauce and house special. Everyone has gotten different food. There's somewhere there waiting to eating. I don't have to pick up my food and yeah. And I had a bottle of and a bottle of Sprite. Now the water has filled up here and say hello. I'm overfed, tired. I'm waiting for the water to fill up. Why are you so serious? I don't know where we're going. Yeah, we're going.
Afterwards, there's now not just a local church, East Centre, very valuable place, and very nice tea stall in the gardens as well. Worth a visit. 1960s replacement bridge, very retail road over the canal. Well, we've made the turn. We've reached the part of the left, Primrose over on the right. The two are being connected by these ornate Victoria cast iron bridges. Primrose Wharf on the left-hand side of residential.
So we're done with our boat ride. I saw this blank street coffee shop, and if you follow Melissa's wardrobe on Instagram, you will know how she raves about this coffee, and people have been getting it. So it's the white. Sorry? So it's the white. I don't know if you can hear me, anyways. So it's from Blank Street. It's the white chocolate matcha. I've never had matcha before in my life. I don't know what it tastes like, so I'm gonna do that. Now they're walking to Shake Shack, but like let's try. Not bad. Yep, I got to be oat milk, not regular milk. So amazing, 10 out of 10. I recommend. Yeah. I got like the small size. It's not bad. Everything not bad. I think my first time having matcha. I don't know what matcha is supposed to taste like, and everybody's just craving matcha, 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 matcha. But yeah, this is good. Easy. Oh, it's tip and take. Congratulations.